Well, so we continue presenting consonants, and in this case we have number 6, okay? The symbol is G, alright? According to the voicing, this is a voiceless sound, that is without or with no vibration of the vocal folds. According to the place of articulation, it's velar, as the back of the tongue is in contact with the soft palate or velum, right? And according to the manner of articulation, this is a plosive sound, as there is obstruction on the airflow coming from the lungs, and then the air is abruptly released, producing a plosion or an explosion or a plosive sound. All right? Well, here we have some examples. Yes? With the regular spells, or how we write the sound, we have G. Examples: gold, girl, gun, bag, glass. Double G, beggar, backed, struggle. Note, in the case of GH, yes, we pronounce G, ghost, dinghy, right? Then when we have GUE, we pronounced exactly the same. We say plague, dialogue, prologue. Finally, we have silent G. For example, sing, campaign, foreign, cognac. All right? Well, let's compare. Coat, goat. Cap, gap. Glue, glue. Degree, degree. Bigger, bigger. So you can see how these minimal pairs, as they called in phonetics, are quite similar, but they are different, of course. Well, please, in this exercise, you have to transcribe phonemically the following sentences. Kill the goose that lays the golden eggs. Go and teach your mother to suck eggs. To grandmother, sorry. I'm going to send a telegram to your grandmother. Okay? So please, if you can, please send the record to the WhatsApp group. Okay? Bye bye. See you.